Now we're gonna set everything up for titration. This one called bullet. Okay, you have to put that sulfuric acid 0.0 to normal into this. Okay, so you're not gonna pour them directly to here. No, you have to put the funnel and make sure it is closed. Okay, make sure it is closed. Then you put everything here. Okay, just a little bit. This that we don't need a lot. That's what I know. Okay, I didn't add it full. After that, I raised this somewhere. Did you see it? It is right here. Okay, the water is right here. They're gonna have the air pocket in here. The first thing after we install, we're gonna release the air bubble out of here. Okay, we're gonna do it now. I'm not really sure that you can see the air bubble. This one is a sulfuric acid. Okay, they're gonna have the air bubble here. I try to zoom in as much as I can. You're gonna see some air bubble, okay, coming down. Okay. It's coming out already. Hold on. Yeah, it's coming out, all of them already. Okay, now you're gonna start at the beginning point. Okay, right now read 42.50. Okay, 40, 41, 42. Right now I read 42.50 for here. 42.50. I'm gonna record into the first number. 42. The first is DI water. The second is gonna be tap. Third one is gonna be Evian. The last one is gonna be alkaline water. The first one that we're gonna titrate it is the tap water. Initial read is 42.50. Okay. From here, I call this one tap one. Okay, tap one is the first replicate. Now, what next that you're gonna do? You're gonna add the magnetic stirrer, okay, into here. Okay. After add magnetic stirrer, you're gonna set everything. You're gonna titrate this one magnetic stirrer. This one is a stirrer plate. Okay. This is the plate. You have to titrate from here, pink. Okay. A little bit pink to become no color. You're gonna use very, very tiny concentration. So don't turn the heater on. Okay, the magnetic stirrer can do not turn the heater, turn just the magnetic on. Okay, you read it already. Maybe just one drop here. Do it drop by drop. I do only one drop. Let's see, just one drop. It becomes clear already. Read. I read is at 42.6. Okay, just one drop. 42.60. 42.60. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing. This one we read 42.60. Let me adjust this thing. Okay, this one I read 42.7. 42.7. Okay, now this one is a little bit of pink too, so you need to take the magnetic stellar from here up. You have to stick. Take it out from here. Okay, rinse it with the DI water. And then dry it, okay? And then you put it in. Put it in here. Now this one 42.7. One drop. It should be the same. It should be just one drop. This one drop, and the color turned clear already. Okay. Read. This one is 43.75. Oh, sorry, 42.75. Really small. Then same thing. Retrieve the magnetic stellar. Rinse with the DI water a little bit. Okay. This one is my waste container. Then you dry it. After you dry it, you put it in the next sample. Alkali, replicate 1. Alkali, replicate 1. You have to titrate, okay, from 0 or from pink to become no color. Let's see how many drops. Do just maybe 1 or 2 drops. This first drop, just first drop, and it's gone already. Seven. We start reading from the same one. Okay, we start reading from 42.75. Now it's 42.78. Okay. Now same thing. We're gonna titrate this one. Let's see. We don't use any. If we not use the magnetic stellar. Right now the reading it is the same. 42.78. One drop, just one drop. Just one drop. Gone. Same thing, 42. This one is 48 right now. 42.80. Okay, then what next that you have to do? Let me retrieve the magnetic stellar here. Let me rinse it first and then dry it. Okay, I'm gonna bring all of my sample back again. Bring all of my sample, the sample that we have tap water, we have alkali water. Okay, alkali water. Which one rep 1, which one rep 2. Then we have the DI water, and then we have the Evian water. Okay, I move everything because now we have to titrate everything again. So this one is your DI water. Red one in the front. Tap water, Evian water. Total you have 8 water sample. Okay, total you have 8 water sample. You have 8 water sample. Now we're gonna continue titration. You have to add the second indicator, which is methyl orange. Okay, and then you're gonna titrate it from colorless to become orange. Okay, 1, 2, 3 drop. 1, 2, 3 drop. To all of them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're done. Then you have to do the titration. Okay? From no color to become orange. No color to become orange. This one is already orange because the water is supposed to be pure. You're not supposed to have the alkalinity. You don't have to do anything here. This one, what color do you have? You have pink. You have yellow. From no color to orange to yellow, this orange to done. You don't have to do anything here. Now tap water. Okay. Same thing. Okay. This one is a little bit pink. Let's see what happens. It's not orange. This one Evian water. You have also the yellow color too, so you don't have to try. Evian water, you have a little bit of color too. You don't have to try. Alkalinity, you have pink. Alkalinity, you have pink. It's supposed to be no color.